To give a hand. To help someone. Example: Sarah gave Tom a hand with his homework. Spill the beans. To reveal a secret. Example: After much convincing, Alex finally spilled the beans about the surprise party. Break the ice. To initiate a conversation in a relaxed way. Example: At the party, John told a funny joke to break the ice. Hit the sack. To go to bed. After a long day, Emma decided to hit the sack early. Pull someone's leg. To joke or tease someone. Example: Jack told Mary he won the lottery, but he was just pulling her leg. Out of the blue. Unexpectedly or suddenly. Example: Out of the blue, Jake received a call from an old friend. Down to earth. Practical and realistic. Example: Even with his success, Mike remains down to earth and approachable. A piece of cake. Something very easy to do. Example: For an experienced chef like Lisa, making a 3-course meal is a piece of cake. Once in a blue moon. Very rarely. Example: He only goes hiking once in a blue moon. Hold your horses. To wait or be patient. Example: When Sam rushed to leave, his friend told him to hold his horses. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.